was in the back of the truck.
Oh, yeah. All right.
He wanted her to drop off his gold mine before she made her getaway.
I got it.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
Yes, 4 Harmon Avenue in the rear at the alley behind.
What's the emergency there?
There's a truck rolled over. A lady is trapped in it. She can't get out, and I don't know if she's hurt or not. The steering wheel had her pinned down. She needs somebody to cut her out of this truck.
What did she hit? Did she hit another vehicle?
Ma'am, she ran. She was at a high rate of speed, and she ran up on the side of a tree and a fence.
Okay.
And it flipped the truck over. It flipped the truck over.
I'm just making sure there's no one else injured.
Okay.
All right, we're going to get help out there.
Ma'am, listen, what happened, the lady just tried to run me over. That's why he's leaving out. I was on the side of this truck. She had my scrap metal in her truck, and she tried to take off. I tried to stop her once, and she floored it and threw me off the truck. And then she came at me delivery and tried to run me over. And I was on the side of the truck, and she ran it up a tree, and it almost rolled on top of me.
Right here?
Yeah. When we was tearing stuff
apart. Found him.
And,
Yeah.
She's just kind of standing there. She's all right, but she looks like she might be a little more confused than anything else.
she took off. Just kind of standing there. I was on the side of the truck. She tried to run me into that tree first. Throw me off.
You guys were both in the car?
I was on the side. And then she ran up on the tree, and I almost ran over the top.
Yeah, there's one.
Are you hurt?
No, you're just inside? Okay. Yeah, she's not hurt. She's literally just standing inside.
And they're just twiddling her thumbs.
She's not hurt.
We're going to get her out of here.
Are you okay? Myself, ladder and rescue right now. Tell you when you cancel.
I was on my next vacation.
Do you guys need to get equipment in here? Move his cruiser.
Okay.
Do you need me to move this car?
Ribbing, and we'll get the salt.
I'll let you know here in a second.
Okay, because I can squeeze it in here.
Okay. Yeah, why don't you pull up there just in case.
Wedge? Flip it through. Can't flip it into that tree? No, buddy. We're going to try to get the person out of it. Before we start
Tell her to cover herself.
I had a ladder up on the side.
Yeah. Tell her to move back a little bit. Yeah. She has a blanket or something in there. You have a blanket or something in there you can cover yourself with? Cover yourself up.
They were going to bust the window behind her.
We're going to bust the window behind you, that front window.
I got it.
Ready? All right.
I like that.
Cross the edges. I'll help you out. Okay. Remember what happened? Watch your head. The medic crew right there will take care of you right there. We're going to go right to them. Is that medic coming? No? Okay. Once you follow them, they'll walk up the hill.
You want me to try to come around, or?
Yeah. Why don't you drive back around out here?
Go back out of the way. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Brandon, I'll leave you with this if you want to get any. Must be some kind of illegal parking here, doesn't it?
He said, he said that you tried to run him over.
He wouldn't leave until he kept following the truck.
Trying to get in the truck?
Right, yeah. And when I came around the corner, he swore I tried to kill him.
Okay. More or less. Either way, you just want to hang out with her because Dad's making all kinds of accusations. That's his dad, though, right? Is there anybody else out here that is an independent person that would see something like this?
Go ahead.
Independent, like someone who doesn't have a
Can you run
relationship.
Tempeg Nora 888-344?
Maybe I'll get her info real quick. I'm going to talk to Dad just to see what he says.
Okay.
This
So-
officer's coming to get him.
So is this your truck?
Yeah, it's my truck.
And you were just trying to leave, is what you were saying?
Yeah, he kept yelling at me to leave. He was mad because he was trying to apart these air conditioning units, and he wanted me to do it too.
Where were you parked?
I was parked over in that field over there. And I
Like-
turned the truck
like
around
back
and
in?
came out
Okay.
here.
So you just came out of here and
Thank you.
you were going this way, and you were just trying to leave?
I just need
Was
a
he-
public service,
He
please.
wanted all the stuff that was in the back of the truck, metal. He's going to stop.
Okay.
Copy 2570.
And do you think you just kind of, do you think you just kind of lost control, ran up on the root system of the tree?
Yes, I think
Okay.
that's, I
Okay, they're gonna-
remember the tree coming
Maybe you want to just come with me real
Yeah,
quick?
we're going to walk over towards the medic here. And
We're just going to check you out real quick.
Okay.
While you talk to me.
we'll come check with you before you go.
This is an interesting.
Okay. It's not. He was being silly, adamant, like, oh yeah, she's trying to kill me. Did he see what's going on?
Yeah, he seen it on me. He came on saying that I was dead.
I thought you were dead.
She tried to run me over. I want to press charge on fucking.
But you were the one. You were jumping on the car.
I didn't. Well, yeah.
That's kind of what you're explaining to me. She was trying. Yeah, you said that she was going to basically take the scrap and drive away with it, and you were trying to stop her.
Yeah,
I mean, how much you weigh?
Like 150.
150. I mean, do you think you're going to be able to hulk out and stop a truck? Like, what was what was the thought process behind that? Yeah, I get you. I mean, yeah, if someone's going to drive off in a car, you say stop, and if they don't stop, you can't physically force it to stop. You're the little person. It's a big old truck. No.
She's saying that she just wanted to leave,
Yeah.
and he wanted the metal out of the back, so he's chasing after her.
A 17A over scrapping.
Yeah, and she hit the root system of the tree, and whoop,
Yeah.
they're
Honestly, from what I gathered from him, he probably the one that started it, or that caused the crash, because he's running up on the side of her door, trying to get the door open, pounding on the door, and she probably was looking at him and caused her to steer this way, get away from him. Donk.
Are they a couple?
Yes. A homeless couple stay in the truck.
Oh.
They had a 17A bickering back and forth. What Dad said. She got in the truck and tried to leave, and he was like, "No, don't leave." And she like, "Fuck you, I'm leaving."
Alrighty.
He's like, that's not trying to get me with a dangerous weapon. I'm like, get out of the way.
Yeah. What do they say to us if we shoot someone that
Yeah,
is driving?
get out of the way.
They're gonna
power DMS about it.
I've got 624.
She was coming from there. She was turning from back in that field, and he was running along the side trying to open the truck door while she was driving. So she veered that way, and I think she went
17 or something.
17A.
Looks like that tag is not filed.
She wanted to leave, and all his scrap was in the back of the truck.
Oh, all right.
He wanted her to drop off his gold mine before she made her getaway.